Today an unboxing video of two items I ordered at Studio Day FX. I had one of their masks, Phantomof the Opera masks, before, but I bought that second hand, and therefore I did not have the choice of choosing a specific Phantomof the Opera mask because they are all a little bit different. I ordered the Michael Crawford original mask, and since they recently started to do prosthetics, I also ordered the fitting prosthetic, so the old style, the original style. Let's see how it looks. But I also have to be careful that I don't cut into the items and or myself. From and here we are. Now I'm going to put the box down and let's see what's in it. Here we have them. Oh, it's packaged together a little bit, so okay. Of course I have to pay import duties because I live in the Netherlands and this is from America. And this is the original Michael Crawford style mask. Good quality, as you can see, with airbrushes, etc. Okay. And I'm very curious, because I already knew a mask made by them, to the prosthetics which they recently started doing. I seen one, I think used by Phantom on a budget. I will put a link in to Phantom on a budget and Studio Day FX. And this is a prosthetic, and what I like about it is it also has an elastic. So you might, if you are an expert, put it on with maybe latex or skin glue, but you might also, let's see, whoa! Of course, it is based on the original shape of Michael Crawford's head, but look, whoa! I expected it to have less color and have to add color myself, but I'm very happy with that because it already almost completely has that look that you're looking for. So this will be an extra beautiful item in my showcase cupboard because I already have the makeup of one of the Dutch Phantoms, but it was the one day makeup latex, and of course after it was from 1995, and as you can imagine that is crumbling. Even though I'm trying to do my best to preserve it, it was not made to last. And this is the one from 1995 from a Dutch production, and this one you can display without any problems and it will last a long time. And if you want to, you could use it if you want to do a cosplay. Anyway, I'm very happy, and as I said, this will be a nice addition to my collection. And if you enjoyed this video, please like or subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye!